So Buzz said he would break his car today. I don't know if it was his clutch or something else has gone on it.
If you could take the airway.
That way. We'll take it back and keep it about 4 right? Sponsored by the Dark Revenge.
I think it's the rear end. Jesus.
Darren?
That's fine. Hey Buzz, this is what you've done, man. This is your legacy at Santa Pod. This is what you've left behind. They rolled him back to there and turned him round, and then out the door he went. Did it proper then, yeah?
You've got to do it proper. I did say this to you. Okay.
What, the gearbox?
Sorry for ruining your track, Max.
Car racing.
Was it gearbox?
Yeah.
It was?
I did say that, didn't I? I think it's a rear diff, but
I thought you were down on power.
It's set on fire.
I thought you were down on power though. So you got an old gearbox.
No, that was full power pass then.
But you've changed your turbos over, haven't you?
No, that's happening. So the thing is, it's just booked in 2 weeks' time to have everything redone again.
Right.
Yeah, maybe a bit sooner.
So that was a proper full power run, yeah?
All I can say is welcome to real racing.
Yeah. Hey, the good thing is it didn't set on fire because there's fucking oil everywhere.
It's probably something green that's broken.
Oh, something metallic.
What was it?
Not this, the ring and pinion. But it looks like, because the oil's gone fucking everywhere, okay, it might have cracked the casing as well. Okay. Fortunately, I've got 3 spare gearboxes.
Yeah, fine. And was that on a launch or?
Yeah, happened on the launch.
It shook a lot, didn't it?
It did, yeah. And by the time I put my foot out in it, it was too late.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 years in a row now that I've ended up breaking the car.
Yeah.
After that, it was the axles that went.
It was, wasn't it, on your last run? Yeah.
Upgraded those, and it is what it is though. That's part of racing.
Yeah.
Bro, you were disappointed that you hadn't broke it.
No, I told everyone it was going to break.
You said to me that you were disappointed you
No,
hadn't
I
broke it.
didn't. I said it's going to break, and so it has. So now I'm not disappointed.